Are making Made-Rites, which is like a bougie sloppy joe. It's a Midwestern dream, and I have to tell you, it's made on Texas toast. By the way, cup of onion and a pound of ground beef, okay? I put the Texas toast, by the way, in the toaster oven, the garlic version. You guys, Mr. Temptations has arrived. It's time to add the garlic. Not one, but 2 cloves. Oh, I see. A 1/4 cup of beef broth. Where's the beef broth? Now we're going to add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Now we're going to add a tablespoon of light brown sugar, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire, teaspoon kosher salt. We're going to add a teaspoon of soy sauce. We're going to add a teaspoon of yellow mustard.
Oh, wait.
Now we're going to add it in to deglaze that amazing meat flavor. Like, take a spoon and kind of just make, like, you're not going to pull it out, but you're going to almost make like a little well. That now you're just going to go ahead and layer this on top of the Texas toast. All right, let's put some cheese on top. Tuck it right back into the toaster oven.
This will never...
With you,
no
my love.
way.
Okay, here it is. A Made-Rite.
Get in.
I'm going to take the first bite. Well, I promise you, this is a must.
It's delicious.
This is out of this world delicious.